Yeah, I'm live now. We need to start exactly the next 4 minutes, but I'm live. So if you're around, please join up now because lessons will start exactly by 2 p.m. Nigeria time, which is about 3 minutes away from now. So you do well to join now if you are ready for today's class. As we want to pick up the class immediately, it is 2 p.m. and stop by 3 p.m. on the dot. So if you're around, you are advised to join up now so that we'll get ready for class. This is the Igbo Tutor live. Let me just give you introduction. This live session is meant to give us an idea or an opportunity to practice what we have been learning over time. Through videos we have watched on YouTube or through other sources, and we are ready or interested in learning Igbo language. So we created this live session to give you opportunity to practice what you have learned and to measure your level of progress in Igbo language. So this is based on the request of community members that we should also include live session in our lessons. So we began to run live sessions, and since then, it has been a very nice time meeting with you, seeing you, or hearing you, or allowing you to practice what you have learned over time. So today's session is dedicated to my late mom that passed on yesterday. So we won't be doing much of joking or any other thing as a tribute to my mom. So I'm going to face the teaching directly and then allow us to, run through it for 1 hour, see how much you can do. I'm not supposed to be here now, but I respect your timing. I respect your schedule because I know many of you are joining up from different parts of the world. You have scheduled this hour for this lesson, and it will be uncharitable for me to just cancel it without, reaching out to you. I don't have any means of getting to see you or communicate to you directly as to the possibility of not having this class today. So I have to respect your own timing too by coming online so that we can just save this hour. You may have put up some other activities at home to get ready for this live session. So I don't have any other means of reaching out to you to say we cannot hold this class. So that's why we have to go on with the class as a mark of respect to you too, why I just limit myself to 1 hour and then do less of play and less of jokes. So we go on straight to this lesson. So for those who are here, Faith Barbara, you are here. Thank you for being here. I hope others will join up on time so we do this together. Appreciate your love, your concern. For those who have dropped condolence comments in my channel, I appreciate all of you. I pray that God will console all of us. And then as a family, even though I don't see all of you, but I know you are members of my family. One way or the other, we become family via our learning and teaching and our relationship of students and teacher. So I appreciate all your concern, all your prayers, and even your support in various ways. So I couldn't have been able to do this without you. So thank you so much for your concern and show of love. So let's come on board now because lesson is starting immediately in the next 1 minute. So if you're around, please join up now. Let's not waste any time at all. This is the Igbo Tutor live online. We are continuing with our drill on Igbo verbs and sentences with Igbo verbs. So that is where we are continuing from today. This is exactly 2 p.m., as I said, and we're picking up right away. Last week, we stopped at one word, which is gumie, which means dig deep. That was the last word we treated in our last live session on Saturday, which is dig deep, gumie, and we formed the sentence using gumie. So today, we are moving on from where we stopped last week. And the next alphabet we are looking at now is H, which is hapo. That is a verb we're looking at. Please indicate if you are hearing me. Let me be sure my mic is working well. If you are hearing me, give a thumbs up. Let me be sure you are hearing me. Give a thumbs up and or say okay, or hearing you, and I'm anoge. Any way you can express it. Let me be sure you are hearing me before I go on now. Please indicate you are hearing me. Don't put thumbs up. Say anamano. Say I'm hearing. Whatever way you can say it, whichever way. Please let me know you are hearing me so that I'm sure I'm not talking to myself. Okay. So, Ihuama, you're welcome. Yeah, True Kezier McDonald, you are welcome. No, Faith was the first one to drop in. If Ihoma followed, Clement Emehe, you're welcome. Thank you for coming on board. Who else is here? Chikezie McDonald, thank you for coming on board. Okay, Faith Barbara has shown me that you are hearing me loud and clear. So we can proceed now. So the next word or verb we're looking at now is happen. And then the sentence, I believe you can write happen. So you can drop happen. Drop the word in the chat, happen. Let me have the word. Let me have the word happen. Let me just have the word while we make the sentence immediately. Happen. Okay. Chikeze Madonna had done that. Clement Emehe had done that. But Clement, your happen doesn't have dot under the U. Please let it be proper by now. By now, I expected that you would have gotten the Igbo keyboard and write correctly. Ihoma, you are right. Happen. So let's be sure we are writing the correct thing. Okay, Hapu Ihoma, you are right. But Clement Emehe, please get okay. You are right now. Hapu. That's correct. So let's go to the sentence. And the sentence is Hapuya Ebahu. Leave it there. Hapuya Ebahu. Leave it there. Please drop the sentence immediately. Hapuya Ebahu. Leave it there. That is the sentence. Who is dropping it first? Okay, Chikezie McDonald. Hapuya Ebahu. Okay, who else is trying that now? Who else is challenging McDonald today? I think he was the class leader last time. I hope he will still maintain that lead today, or someone else will dethrone him. So Chikezie want to maintain the lead today again. Clement and Mary Hapuya Ebahu. Okay, you have written. Who else is dropping? Who else is writing now? Who else is writing now? Before we take the correction, who else is writing? Who else is writing? Hapuya Ebahu. Who else is dropping the sentence? Where is my sister Ihoma? Okay, I was expecting your own. Hapuya Ebahu. Okay, you have tried. Someone has not written. Barbara, I think she's always busy on Saturday. Maybe she'll be listening in as usual. So who else has not dropped his own or her own? Okay, let's review what we have done so far. Chikezie was the first to drop. Hapuya Ebahu. Chikezie, you are 100% correct. Clement Emehe wrote Hapuya Ebahu. No, Ebe is not there again. Ebe is what I said. Ebe Ahu. So the A you added at the back of your Ebe had rendered your sentence incorrect. So it's Hapoya Ebe Aho, not Ebe Aho. The same thing is what Ihoma did. Hapoya Ebe Aho. No, it's Ebe Aho. EBE, simple. Ebe Aho, there. Leave it there. We go to the next verb, and the next verb is Hazie. Hazie. Can somebody drop the word for us? Hazie. Hazie. Drop the word for us. Hazie. Hazie, which means organize or arrange. Okay, Chikezie, Hazie, you are right there. The class captain is still leading. Okay, Clement, Hazie, that's right. Where is Ihoma? Drop your own Hazie. Let me see what you can write. Don't just wait for others. Don't just wait until others write before you write. Challenge yourself. That's the essence of this live session. Challenge your understanding of the sound and the knowledge of the alphabets. That's what we do here. So you try to write. Don't wait for others. If you are wrong, we'll correct you eventually. But you challenge yourself by trying to write without waiting for others. Hazie, Hazie. Two people have dropped their own, Chikezie and Clement Emehe. Where is Ihoma and the rest of them? Drop your own word. Hazie. Okay, I'm waiting. It could be that Ihoma is from a far distance. That's why her sentence is not coming in. I believe Ihoma is a lady. Please, Ihoma, correct me if you are a lady. Let me be sure I'm addressing you properly. And let the house also know where you are joining us from, because I cannot remember if you have been in this class before. So let me know which part of the country, which part of the world are you joining us from, Ihoma. Let me be sure. And then indicate whether you're a male or a female while we move on. And waiting for Ihoma to drop the word Hazie before I I give us the sentence now. Ihoma, if you are still coming, do so while we go to the sentence now. Please, if you are seeing us now, this is the Igbo tutor live. Here we practice speaking and writing Igbo language to challenge ourselves to speak. We know that many people that are learning Igbo don't have anywhere they can practice what they are learning. They may not have Igbo people living around them. So if you are of Igbo descent, you are born by Igbo parents, but you can't speak Igbo, or you are married to Igbo, but you don't understand the language, or you have children who are having challenge with Igbo language, or you have business deal with Igbo people, you have friendship, you have a fiancé as Igbo, you are interested in Igbo friendship or any sort, you are welcome here. This is where we practice speaking Igbo language for whoever is interested. So wherever you are seeing us now, join in. This is always a very interesting moment being with you here. Jenem, you are welcome. So Ihoma says in Germany. Okay, Ihoma, no. Ihoma is from Germany. That's interesting. Okay, now we are taking the sentence now. Jenem, you are welcome. Okay, and they won. You are welcome. Okay, we're taking the sentence. Jenem, the word we're looking at is Hazie, and the sentence is Hazie Olu Akagi. Hazie Olu Akagi. Organize your handwork or organize your work. Hazie Olu Akagi. Organize your handwork or organize your work. Hazie Olu Akagi. Let's have the sentence now. Who is dropping that first? Chikeze McDonald, the class captain today, has dropped it. Well, where are the rest? Hazie Olu Akagi. Hazie Olu Akagi. Clement Emehe, Hazie Olu Akagi. Good effort. Where are the rest? I'm waiting. Ihoma, Hazie Olu Aka. Okay, Ihoma has tried. Now I'm waiting for the rest of the people. Who is dropping the sentence now? Hazie Olu Akagi. Hazie Olu Akagi. Ihoma, you are not very sure. You have withdrawn your sentence. Sorry, I was pushed around by network, but I'm back now. So Jen M, where is your sentence? Ihoma has written Hazie Olu Akai. Okay, good effort, but I'm going to do the correction now. Jen M, okay, you are here. Hazie Olu Akagi. Great, that's wonderful. Now let's do the correction now. Class captain dropped it first, and he wrote Hazie Olu Akagi. That's 100% correct. You are really the class captain today. You are leading by example. Clement Emehi Hazie Olu Akagi. Good effort, but Olu, you are Olu should have dot under O and dot under U. That is Olu. Let's see what other people wrote. Ihoma Hazie Olu Akai. No, Ihoma, there is not Olu Akai. You are going to separate that word, Aka and Ge. That is your work. So Ge is your, Aka is handwork, your handwork. Olu Akagi, Olu is work. Aka, Ge is your hand. So it's like your handwork. So you're going to separate, I'm talking to Ihoma now. You're going to separate Aka and the Ge, it's not GHI, but GI with dot under. So Akage, that's what it means. Hazie Olu Akage, organize your hand work. So that is it. Okay, Jenem, good effort. Hazie Olu Akage, correct. Clement Emehe, corrected version. That's fine. We'll move on to the next word. The next word is horror, choose. Horror, choose. Horror, choose. Horror, choose. Drop the word now. Yeah. Who is dropping it first? Choose. Horror. Okay, the class captain had dropped the word. Who else is challenging him? Let's see who else want to challenge him with the word horror. Who is challenging McDonald? Who is challenging him now with the word horror? Horror. Who is challenging him? Yeah. If you are seeing us now, this is the Igbo tutor live online. This is a live session of Igbo language. Igbo language speaking practice, sound recognition, alphabet recognition, word recognition, and sentence formation. This is where we practice and challenge our brain and measure our level of progress on Igbo language learning. So this session is meant for every Igbo speaker or everyone interested in speaking Igbo from any part of the world, wherever you are. Please join up now, wherever you are. Here we help you to understand and speak Igbo language. You are born by Igbo parents, in any part of the world, you don't understand Igbo, you have Igbo fiancé or friend, you have Igbo business partners, and you are interested, you are married to Igbo, this is where we are. Come on now, join this live session now, and challenge your ability to speak Igbo language. Now we have options here. Chikezie Horo, good. Ihoma Horo, Jenem Horo, Clement Emehe Horo, all of you are correct. Now comes the sentence. What is the sentence? Horo nke ka gị mma. Họrọ nke Kagema. Choose the one you prefer. Choose the one you prefer. Horo nke kagema. Horo nke kagema. Choose the one you prefer. Horo nke kagema. Horo nke kagema. Choose the one you prefer. Yeah, somebody had dropped. The class captain. Horo nke kagema. All right. The class captain is really serious. He doesn't give any chance to be dethroned by anybody. Now, where are the rest? Where are the rest? Chikezi has dropped his own. Where are the rest? Drop your sentence. Horon kekagema. Choose the one you prefer. That is horon kekagema. Okay, Ihoma is here. Horon kekagema. Almost there. Almost there. But I love your spirit, Ihoma. You are really making effort. Ihoma, is it today? Is today the first day you are joining us in this live session? Please let me know. Is today your first day, Ihoma? Let me be sure. Today is your first day. But I think I'm seeing you for the first time. How about Jenem had dropped? Clement had dropped. Good effort. Where are the rest? Some people have not joined this class. We are still expecting them to come in and join up. So let's review the answers. Chikezie, Horon ke Kagima. That's very correct. That's very perfect. Who else? Ihoma, Horon ke Kagima. Ihoma is not Ga, is Kagima. Maybe you didn't hear me well. Kagima. So it's K-A, not G-A. Okay, I'm talking to Ihoma now. Horonke, Kagima is K-A, not G-A. Apart from that, your G also is not perfect. Your G, I should have dot under in your G. Okay, G, that is you. That is you. G is you. So it has to be G-I, but the I must have dot under. That is A in Igbo language. I'm talking to Ihoma. Now, Jenem, Horonke, Kagima. Jenem, you are perfectly okay. Clement Emehem, Horonke, Kagima. Clement, your G is not perfect. The I doesn't have dot under. Okay, Ihoma has a correction. That's great. That means you are listening and following up. That's great. The next word is hon, which is C. Hon, which is C. Now, somebody should drop the word for me. Hon, C. Hon, C. Hon, C. That is hon. Oh yeah, drop the word. Drop the word quickly so that we can go to the lesson, the sentence. Okay, class captain. Oh, ndewo. Brown skin. Brown skin baby. Brown skin baby. No, this is the first time you are joining our live session. We welcome you. Brown skin. The name is Brown skin baby. Thank you for joining up today. No. Now we're considering the word or the verb, which is see, and then we're having them being dropped, the spelling, the word, okay, which is HU with dot under. They are correct. That is see. The sentence now. The sentence is Bia home no law. Bia home no law. Bia home no law. Come see me at home. Bia home no law. Come see me at home. Bia home no. Okay. Ade dolakbo bosumu ekemode. You are welcome to class today. Okay. Ekemode or ade dolakbo. Ade dolakbo. Dewo. Okay, you're welcome to class today. Today is the first day you are joining us in live session. So we welcome you especially. No, one day, why? Let's know why you are interested in learning Igbo language. Are you married to Igbo? You have Igbo fiancé, you have Igbo friends around you, and then, or you have Igbo business partners, or you just love Igbo people. Let's know why you want to learn Igbo language. I'm talking to Adeda Dolakbo Dosumo Ekemode. I think Ekemode sounds like Igbo name. Maybe you are married to Igbo. Let me know that, please, in the chat session. Let's welcome you as our wife or friend or fiancé or whatever. We are interested so much. Okay? Okay, some people's messages are not being displayed. I don't know what is happening here. The system is saying they are inappropriate, but I don't see anything inappropriate in your sentences. It's just computer problem. So, okay, Igbo fiancé. That is Ade Dolak, but says Igbo fiancé. Great. We are happy to welcome you to our family. Igbo people are loving people. They know how to marry very well. So you're in the right place. Just make sure you understand our language so that while you are married, you will not look like alien in your family. You will not say, oh, you don't know what they are saying. Maybe they're talking about me. You feel at home when you understand Igbo language. You can flow with your in-laws without any form of suspicion or doubt as to what they are saying. So you can belong to the family fully. that is an advantage for you. So well done. I hope you have subscribed to our channel already. I'm talking to Ade Dolako. Have you subscribed to our channel? If you have not done that, all those who are joining us for the first time today in our live session, please endeavor to subscribe to our channel. It's very important to us as a way of supporting us and also getting notification when we upload new videos. So you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified when we upload new videos or when we upload new live stream. Is very important. And for all of us who are already in this class, please, I will enjoin you and plead with you to click the like button under the screen to show appreciation to this live session and to be sure that you are enjoying what we are doing here. So hit the like button under the bar below this screen. Below your screen, you see the like button there. Please hit the like button so that YouTube will know that people like this and then show it to more people so they can join up just like you. So hit the like button now. We'll appreciate it so much. Yeah, somebody had done that. Thank you for doing that. I hope others will join to do that now. Please hit the like button now so that YouTube can show this to more people to join this class. Hit the like button before we move on. Thank you for those who are doing that. Appreciate you so much for doing that. And be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel as we move on and hit the notification bell to get notified when we upload new videos. So, Igbo fiancé, I thank you for agreeing to marry Igbo people. So we move on now. Chikezie, I don't know. All right, thank you for those who are hitting the like button. I appreciate you. The next, I've not done the correction for Horon Kekagimba, but I'm surprised. Okay, we are now Bianolo, Bia home no law. That's why we are. Come see me at home. Let me look at the answers that have been supplied already. And no, okay, this system is just messing up now. It's not showing me this. The sentences is hiding them, but I'm refusing to agree. Bia home no law. Okay, Chikezie, that's very perfect. Clement Emehe, Bia home no law. Very perfect. Ihoma, where did you write? You wrote and deleted it again. Jenem, what did you write? Bia home no law. Correct. Ihoma, now you have written again. What did you write? I'm trying to see your word. I'm trying to see that. Bia home no law. Okay. Ihoma, you are O law. No law is not correct. It's N, comma on top of N, U, L, O. But the O and the U need to have dot under them. No law. Okay. At home. All right. Adedolakbo. I believe you are following. You wrote something. I'm trying to see what you wrote. Bia no law. Bia no law. Okay. You tried at least for the first time. But look at what other people wrote. What I said is Bia home no law. Come see me at home. Bia is correct, but your Bia should have dot under the I. That's Bia. Then it's not home, it's home, H-U, but you have dot under, then followed by M. Then no law is N, comma on top, U-L-O. Okay, O law. But the O and the U must have dot under them. No law. That is Bia home no law. Come see me at home. We go to the next word. I'm really moving fast today because we want to see what we can cover within 1 hour. Like I said earlier, before some of you joined, this is a tribute session to my late mother that passed on yesterday. So I am not supposed to be here doing this today. But I couldn't help it because this notice has been passed out to you people. You have been ready for this and waiting, and you are from different parts of the world. There is no way I can reach all of you to say we're canceling this class. So I have no choice than to come on board, but we're going to maintain exactly 1 hour. So I'm moving as fast as possible to see how much we can cover. So this is a tribute session to my late mother that just passed on yesterday. So she has spent her own life, and then we just wish her perfect peace and rest in eternity. So we move on now. Now, Chikeze said that, Kara, Obibiko kam murobiya zurike nandokwa. Amen. Thank you, Chikeze, for that prayer. So we move on to the next word. The next word is hieora, which means sleep. Go to sleep. Hieora, sleep. Hieora. Okay. Ndonye nkuzi chukwu gozie gị. Okay. Thank you, Jenem, for that prayer. I appreciate that. Okay. Hieora. Okay, that is the word, hieura. McDonald has dropped that word already, hieura. But we have to join it together as a compound word, join it with a hyphen in between them. Okay? Who else is dropping the word? Hieura. Okay, hieura, ihoma, good effort. Join it together with a hyphen in between. It's a compound word. Clement say, ani, ekperegi. Okay, I think you want to say, we are praying for you. That is what Clement want to write. Ani na ekperegi, ekpere. That's the way to write it. Ani na ekperegi, ekpere. We are praying for you. Okay, that is it. I think that's what Jane M. Clement Emehe wanted to write. Ani na ekperegi, ekpere. We are praying for you. Thank you for your prayers. So if you have not hit the like button under the bar, please do that now. I have 4 likes here. I need to see more. We are more than 4 here. So hit the like button as we move on. Now, hieura, correct. Hieura, correct. Hieura, no. Ade dolak, you miss something. Is here, not he. That you are here has to be together. Ora will now be separate. And you join it with a hyphen. I'm talking to Ade dolak. Here is H-I-E, okay? Hyphen, then ora. That is the way to write it. And your ora need to have dot under is O. If it doesn't have dot under, it sounds oo. But this time around, it is O, ora, hieora. Okay, I'm talking to Adedolakbo. Let's move on to form a sentence with this. And the sentence is, ga hie ora, go sleep. Ga hie ora, go and sleep. Ga hie ora, go and sleep. Or go sleep. Ga hie ora, go and sleep. Ga hie ora, go and sleep. Okay? Also, okay, go sleep quickly. Gahiora also, so if you don't mind, you can add that to your own or say so. Go sleep quickly. Gahiora or say so or so or the same. Okay, Jenem, Chikezi had dropped that. Jenem had dropped that. Who else is dropping Gahiora? Jenem, you are always deleting and writing again. Leave whatever you write. I'm going to correct you if it's wrong. Don't just write and see and copy and look at what other people wrote and cancel your own again. Don't worry. Just drop it. They will correct you. Ga hieora. Okay. Ihoma. Nga hieora. Ihoma. You've tried. Jenem. Ga hieora. You tried. Who else? Where is Adedolapo? Our fiancé. Where is she? Drop your own. Ga hieora. Okay. I'm waiting for Dolapo to do that. Dolapo. Or you drop your own. Please hit the like button if you have not done that for this live session. Very important. I only have 4 likes here, but we are more than that. So hit the like button under this video so that YouTube can show this to more people as we show we are interested in this. Okay, let's look at the corrections. Gahieora, okay. The first person to drop is Chikezie. Gahieora, okay, that's fine. Fine. I did not like, okay, you have even written ga we ora. Okay. I say ga here. Here starts with the word H. Here, H-I-E. That is what is supposed to be. I did dolakbo. That is ga here is H-I-E. Okay. Then ora, it starts with U-R-A, which is correct, but your U need to have dot under it. Ora, ga ora. Ihoma said, nga hie ora. No, that's not what I said. I said, ga hie ora, go sleep. Okay? It's not nga. So the N you added in front, Ihoma, is not correct. Jenem, ga hie ora, that's fine. I did that. Oh, ga hie, you are saying making the same mistake. Okay, but I've done your correction. Jenem, sometimes I enter my response too quickly and I find a mistake. I'm not watching others, I promise. Okay, that's fine. I'm comforted by hearing that from you. I want to be sure you are not looking at what other people wrote. So I understand you now. I'm talking to Jen M. That's fine. Perfect. Perfect. Except that your aura does not have dot under. I hope you have Igbo keyboard in your phone or computer. In case you don't have, I'm talking to Dolakmo now. If you don't have Igbo keyboard, please go to your keyboard setting in your phone. Go to language setting, keyboard, and then look for Party Igbo keyboard in your phone. Phone's language and keyboard setting. You will see it there, select it and add it to your keyboard. Then your keyboard will have two keyboard toggle together. When you press the alphabet down, it will display other options on top. Then you choose the one you prefer to use, especially the one that had dot under, as the case may be. You can do the same thing for your computer. You can set Igbo keyboard there using keyboard setting, language, party Igbo, you get your Igbo keyboard. You don't need to buy any keyboard for this. So do that now. Talking to Dolakbo, Gayeora, that I'm talking to you, how to get you with dot under. That's what I just said. Ihoma, Gayeora, very correct. Dolakbo, I don't have. Yeah, you say you don't have. I hope you are getting my explanation on how to get Igbo keyboard against next lesson. You can set it in your phone, you can set it in your computer, you can always get that, except in computers done in Germany, whether you don't have that setting, but it's here with us in our phones we're using. You can always set it up there. Don't need to buy keyboard. No, now we move on. The next word is uzo. Uzo, which means miss the way, or miss the point. Miss the point or miss the way. Uzo. Okay, what is the word? Yes, uzo. Dollar boy, I like your responses. You are listening and following. Good, I appreciate that. Uzo. That shows you are really in love with this my Igbo brother. You really want to get him and pin him down and get married to him. Thank you for loving us. Now we are okay. Here I'm talking about uzo as a word. Okay, uzo. Ihoma has written that. Dolapo has written that. Very good. Chikeze has written that. Uzo. Great, great, great. That's good effort. All right. Now, who else is dropping that? If you have not given this live session a thumbs up, you are not doing well. Some of us have not done that. Please do that now. It's important to us. Hit the thumbs up or like button. Let's see it reflect that you have done that. Some of us have not done that. Okay? Hieuzo. Okay. Almost all of you are correct, except Dolakbo, that is still learning and is learning fast. Hieuzo is not Uhueuzo, is Hie, Hie. Here, then Uzo, U with dot under, and then Z, O with dot under. Here, Uzo, means the road. Okay, let's take the sentence now. Ha we hear Uzo. Ha we hear Uzo. They then miss the road. Ha we hear Uzo. Ha we hear Uzo. They then missed the road. Ha we hear Uzo. They then missed the road. Ha we hear Uzo. They then missed the road. Ha we hear Uzo. Okay, Chikeze had dropped his own. Now let others do the same thing. Ha we hear Uzo. Gen M. Ha we hear Uzo. Great. This class is really interesting. You guys are doing well. Yes. Okay. Okay. Gen M has deleted again. Okay. And come back again. How he heals. Great. Dolapo. How we heals. Better. Dolapo, you're doing better now. How we heals. That's better. Perfectly better. I know you don't have Igbo keyboard yet, so you would have gotten U with dot under and O with dot under, but that is still acceptable now at this point. Next session, you will have your keyboard. Now, as we are moving on, I need to remind all of us who are joining us for the first time, and even old timers that have not patronized us, I need to remind you that we have Igbo ebooks that were produced using the videos in our YouTube channel and other very important lessons. We brought them together and put them into ebooks that will help you to learn even faster. You don't have to write notes. Even if you're not writing notes, no problem. All you need to do is to buy our ebooks. And that ebook is a special one because it has text, pictures, audio included in it. So with our ebook, you don't need, even if you miss classes, you can always listen to your ebook because the ebook has audio component through which you can listen to your teacher talking to you, reading the book for you, explaining the book for you, and pronouncing the words correctly in Igbo language for you. So you are going to buy our ebook for the price of one. You have ebook and audio book combined together. And if you have it, it will facilitate your learning. In fact, those who have bought our books are testifying that it has helped their learning to learn very fast because you have your teacher always with you. talking to you, repeating those things to you. You play the audio while you're in the car driving, you play it while you're sleeping, or when you are cooking in your kitchen or doing your laundry, you are playing the audio, you're listening, and through that, you can learn very fast. And that also gives you opportunity to see the text written clearly and pronounced for you clearly. So if you have not bought this ebook, you need to do that today. And how do you buy the ebook? Very simple. Check the description box of this live session when we finish. You will see a link to our ebook store. You just click that link, it takes you to our ebook store. You click, go through the books there. We have about eight books there. Go through them and choose the one you want, or you want to buy all of them at a very cheap price. Very easy, very cheap. We just put them at a small price so that it can be affordable for all of us. So some people buy all at the same time. So click on buy, select how many you want, click on buy, and then pay. And the books are yours. You just download them and you access them. Once you download, you open the audio, download the audio, you have a permanent lifetime access to the audio. And you download them to your phone or to your computer, you can listen to them over and over while you go through the book. All of you need it, especially those who are just coming into Igbo learning newly, like Ihoma and the rest of them, and Dolakbo. You need these books so that you can go back and learn the alphabets, how to pronounce them, how to form words, two-letter words, and numbers and everything. They are all there covered. So go today, buy these books. They will help your learning to even move faster than anyone expects, so that you can always listen and repeat and then follow through these books. Even for the old timers that have not bought our books, please do so today. You do two things when you buy the books. You support us to remain online and to continue doing more, because you give us a little token with which to sponsor more books, more videos, and other things like that. So that is number one advantage. Number two is that it gives you a leverage, a mileage in learning, so you can learn faster. You don't need to even have data again when you buy the book, because you download the audio, you can read and listen without even having to buy data or to connect to the internet. So you have a double advantage, and it's for live access. Please do that today. And as you do, the Lord will bless you in Jesus' name. Let's move on now. So somebody said, or say, Egoni, I think you want to ask how much. When you check the bookstore, you'll see the prices stated there. Please, just after this live session, this video will be uploaded automatically after the live session. Open the description box of this video, you will see a link to the store. Click on the link, it will take you straight to the store. You check the books, select the ones you want, the prices are displayed there. Pay automatically, download them, it becomes yours for keep, for life. Let's move on now. Now, somebody said, JM, say, Atutalame, ebook, Izua. Okay. Maybe you want to say you bought the ebook this week. If you have bought the ebook and have gone through it, can you drop a comment here to confirm whether this ebook is worth buying or not? Whether you have derived value from this ebook, please drop a comment. Let others hear from you as to whether these ebooks are helpful to you or not. We'll appreciate you to do that now. Let's go on now. What are we talking about? We are now in J. That's the next word we're looking at, which means go. J or ga, as the case may be. But let's use J as a word now, which means go. Now, can somebody write J in the chat session now? J, go. J, go. J, go. Okay? Now, okay, we have Chikes here writing that. J, who else is writing that? Ebook Dimma. Okay, Jen M say ebook Dimma. Okay, you can hear that from her. Ebook Dimma, the ebook is good. That is a testimony from someone that have bought the book already. Now, Jen M say J, who else is dropping? Who else is dropping? Okay, who else is dropping? J, okay. Who is writing again? J, okay, we have two people here. Let's go to the sentence immediately. J means go, okay? The sentence is J kute, or let me say, J zota azu. J zota azu, or ga zota azu. Go buy fish. J zota azu. J zota azu. Go buy fish. That is the sentence. Okay, Jesuta. Somebody has written that already. Jesuta Azo. Clement has written Jesuta Azo. Okay, I'm waiting for others. Jesuta Azo. Drop your sentence now. And those who have not given this live session a thumbs up, you are not doing well for us. Please give it a thumbs up. Many of you have not done that. It's below the bar there. Hit the like button so that it will reflect that this live session is being enjoyed by many people, so that the YouTube can show it to more people. Please do that now. That's very important to us. Give it a thumbs up. Hit the like button for this video, for this live session. Okay, Jezutazo, Jezutazo. Some people have written. Who has not written? Jezutazo. I'm waiting for the rest. Chikeze has written Jezutazo. Clement has written. Jane M has written. Who has not written Jezutazo? Who is that person? Okay, I'm about to make the correction now. If you have not dropped your sentence, do now. Drop your sentence now as we go to make the corrections now. Why I wait for others? If you are seeing this live session, you're in the right place. This is the Igbo Tutor Online. If you are interested in learning Igbo, you are married to Igbo, you are born by Igbo parents, but you can't understand Igbo language, you can't speak, this is where to be. A fiancé, a friend of Igbo, a business partner, and you are interested in learning Igbo, this is where to be. Chikeze said, please, I asked a question about Iheuzo and Fueuzo. Is the meaning the same? Oh yes, the meaning is the same. Iheuzo and Fue or Fueuzo is the same thing exactly. No difference in the meaning. All is the same thing. Miss the road or get lost. Okay, they are the same exactly. Here or Fueuzo is the same meaning. Jesutazo. Okay, and then the one has written Jesuta, but let me do the correction now. Correct? Clement, except that Clement Zota is not correct. The you don't have perfect. Correct. Chikezi has asked question, I've answered. At Dolapo, Ja Zotazo, Dolapo, your J is not correct. J is J-E-E, not J-A-A. In our Igbo alphabet, A is pronounced as A, while E is pronounced as E. Okay? So in Igbo, A is A, while E is E. So when I say J, I'm talking about which is J. Okay? So it's J, Zota, Azo, not Ja. That's what Dolapo wrote. So Dolapo, you're going to separate it, right? J-E-E. Then separate it. There are two words. Zota, Z-U with dot under, T-A. Then Azo is correct. Okay? I know you cannot get alphabet with dot under now. You don't have the Igbo keyboard yet. You'll get that next time. Right. So that is the correction. We are moving on now. The next word or verb is Jerue, which means get to. As we get to a particular point, a particular position. Jerue. Can I have the word now written down in the chat session? Jerue. Okay, class captain has dropped the word. Who else is dropping? Jerue. Who else is dropping the word? Class captain has dropped the word. Who else is dropping the word? Jerue. Okay, Jane M has dropped. Jerue, correct. Who else is dropping? Clement M has dropped. Jerue, fine. But some of us up till now has not been able to give our live session a thumbs up. That is not very good. Some of us have not done that. Okay, Jerue. Okay, Dolapo wrote Jerue. Okay, but it's actually one word. It's not separate word, Jerue, but you are making progress. At least you are picking the sounds gradually now. And that is the essence of this live session, to challenge you to be able to recognize the sound and translate it to alphabet and to word and to sentence. That is the essence of this live session. So you are doing well as a newcomer, as a newbie today. Okay, but the word is Jerue. Chikezie got it, Jerue. Jane M got it. Clement Mehe got it. Jerue. Okay, that's good. Okay, Sherry Mango, you are here today. Sherry Mango, for long you have not come to live class. I don't know where you went to, but good enough you are here today. Sherry Mango. I hope I can have your correct, your actual name. This is your Sherry Mango. Doesn't sound very well. for me to use for you as a human being. Can you give us your real name? I'm talking to Sherry Mango. Can you give us your real name? This doesn't sound very good to be your name. You know, you have a right not to tell us anyway if you want, but I prefer to know you by name and to know your real name. I'm talking to Sherry Mango. I don't feel comfortable calling you Mango. Okay? So please do me a favor, give us your real name. Okay? Jerue, now let's have the sentence. Why? Okay, my name is Shoibi. Oh, Shoibi. Oh, Shoibi. Wow, you are Shoibi. Oh my goodness. You see why you have to give me your name? This particular Shoibi has bought all our ebooks. In fact, after last live session, Shoibi, I think that is Shoibi Fa, Shoibi Fa. That is the full name, the full pronunciation, Shoibi Fa something, something, something. Okay, I also added it to our inner circle as the live WhatsApp group because anyone that buys our book or patronize us in one way or the other or give us donations, we add the person to our inner circle. We call it inner circle, and that is our special WhatsApp group where you have other privilege to talk to the teacher privately, ask him questions privately, get enlightened privately, get clarifications on issues, give your teacher homework or assignments to answer for you. These are privileges that are given to those who are in the inner circle. We also have video call and audio call with the teacher any time of the day, 24/7. These are privileges that we give to those who are in the inner circle. And you qualify to be in the inner circle when you buy our books or you give us cash donations. So do any of that today and you qualify to belong to the inner circle. That is a great privilege. So Ibi, thank you very much. You are the one. Now I can see. That's why I needed to know your name. I am confused already. Okay, thank you for patronage. So Shoibi, can you tell us something you have learned from the book? How was the book? Have you been able to go through our ebook and have you been able to find them useful and helpful to you and to your Igbo learning journey? Can you indicate, give us a testimonial right here now? Let other people see that you bought the books, you've read them, and you found them interesting. Can you drop something for others to see whether you found the book valuable or not, whether you found the book helpful or not? Can you let us know that? Now, while we are waiting for that from Shoibi, we go forward to make a sentence with Jerue. Now, the sentence is Jerue ebe ahụ. Get to that place. Jerue ebe ahụ. Get to that place. Jerue ebe ahụ. That is the sentence. Can you write it now? Jerue ebe ahụ. Get to that place. Jerue ebe ahụ. Chikeze has written that. Waiting for others to write also. Jerue ebe ahụ. Get to that place or get there. Get to that place or get there. That is Jerue ebe ahụ. Chikeze has written. Where are the others? What are they waiting for? Okay, Jeue ebe ahụ. Okay, Dolakpo, you tried, at least for your level, you tried. Jenem, Jerue ebe ahụ. Great. Where is Shoibi? Jerue ebe ahụ. Remember, we are waiting for your testimonial on the book you bought last week. I'm talking to Shoibi now. Let's be sure whether you have gone through any of them. Let's be sure you found them interesting, beneficial, useful, and they have helped your Igbo language learning journey. Talking to Shoibi now. Give us a testimonial. Now we are waiting for you to drop the sentence. Jerue ebe ahụ. Please, if you have not given this live session a thumbs up, do that. Hit the like button below the video bar. Hit the like button. Give this live session a thumbs up. It's very important to us. Do that now as we move on. Jerue ebe ahụ. Clement Emehen, that's fine. Yeah, Jerue ebe ahụ. Who else is dropping the sentence before we make the corrections? Now let me look at our time. We have 15 minutes left, so we're going to move as fast as possible. Now let me do the correction. Jerue ebe ahụ. Class captain, you're right, correct. Dolakwo, Jerue ebe ahụ. Now, it's not Jerue, it's Jerue, Jeru, Jerue. Jerue is one word. It's not two words. I'm talking to Dolakwo. Jerue, Jerue. Then ebe ahụ, you wrote Dolakwo, ebe ahụ is They are two words. Don't join them together. Ebe and ahụ is two words over there, that place. Okay? Right. Then Jen M, Jerueba, correct. Clement M, Jerueba, correct. That's fine. We move to the next word. The next word is Jehuru, Jehuru, Jehuru. Go and meet. Like you go and meet somebody. Go and meet. I have started the 100 Igbo verbs, and I am finding the example sentences and audio in the book extremely helpful for my pronunciation. Highly recommend the books. Are very affordable and comprehensive. Great. Please, you can hear the testimonial from Shoibi, that is Sherry Mango, concerning the ebook that she bought last week. You can read the testimonial by yourself. You can see why you must buy the ebook today. For those of you who have not bought the books, especially those of you who are new to our classes, like Dolak and the rest of them, you need the book today. Ihoma, you need the book today for you to be able to advance fast in your Igbo language learning. Please, after this session, ensure you buy the book. Will you do another ebook about verbs? Now, I already have one ebook on this verb. Is there. This particular verb we are dealing with now, we're treating now. I have it there. It is called 100 Igbo books you need to speak Igbo language today. It is in the bookshop, it's in the store. Go to the store after this session. I'm talking to the person that asked that question and say whether I will do another ebook on these verbs. It's already done. It's in the bookshop. Go there today. After this live session, you will see the ebook on this particular verb we're treating now is already there. So go and buy it today. Jen M say, I bought that one already. You can hear that. I bought it already. Okay? Someone say, Kana Ayo Kenneth said, I need the e-audio book. Yes, that's what we're talking about. Our ebook has both audio and text. Everything is there. So after this live session, I'm talking to Kana Ayo now. After this live session, go to the description box of this particular live session. Once we finish, YouTube will upload it. Open the description section down below, and you see the link to the bookshop. You click the link, it will take you to the bookshop straight, where you can now go through the books there and choose as many as you want. Please, Shoibi made mistake last week. Shoibi was picking the books one by one and buying one by one. So she was being charged for each book, the processing fee. Don't do that. Pick all the books you want into the basket and buy once, so that you don't need to pay double processing charge or 3 or 4. You pay your processing charge once for all the books. Pick them together into the basket and click buy. So you pay just for one processing fee, processing charge. It will save you money. Okay, so I'm talking to Kanayo. Do that after this live session, and you'll be glad you did. Jen M said, Ioma said, me too. Is it going for people based out of Africa? Yes, now. The book is downloadable. Downloadable. Any part of the world where you are. Ask Shoibi. She bought from Shoibi. Where are you? Did you buy? Where are you? Which part of the world country are you staying in? Because I saw you bought with pound sterling. So which part of the world are you? I'm talking to Sherry Mango, Shoibi. Where are you living? In UK or where you bought with pounds? So any part of the world where you are, you can buy. It's downloadable. You don't need anybody. No interference. You just put in your details, put your card and buy and download. It's as simple as that. And it accepts dollar, pound sterling, any other currency, it accepts that. So you can buy from any part of the world. So can I do that after this session? Okay, now Jen M. But I was asking if you will make another one about verbs. Most of us want to learn more verb, so the books about verb are very helpful. The one I have done already, the book they have 100 verbs. I don't know whether you have learned all the 500 or 100. If you cover all the 100 verbs, I'm sure you will be speaking Igbo language very well. So make sure you cover the 100 verbs you have in the book now, presently. Learn them very well and how to use them. Okay, Shoibi said, I am from Portugal. I am in Portugal. So Shoibi bought the book from Portugal. She used pound sterling to buy. Okay? Somebody say, can I buy in Naira? Can I? Of course. In fact, the book is quoted in Naira. The books are quoted in Naira currency. But if you are living outside Nigeria, you can now, when you click buy, you will see the Naira sign on top. You click on the Naira bar, Naira drop down menu on top. When you click the Naira sign, it will drop a menu for you to choose the currency you want to use, and you pay the currency. But if you are living in Nigeria, you don't need to pick any other currency again. Just click the buy, and you pay in Naira. As simple as that. Okay? So Shoibi is in Portugal, and she bought in Portugal. Any part of the world where you are, you can buy. It converts currency automatically, so you can buy with any currency. Thank you very much. Let's move on from here. And I'm talking about Jekuru. That is the word we're dealing with here now. The sentence now is Jekuru Nwanegi no na Lagos. Jekuru Nwanegi na Lagos. Jekuru Nwanegi na Lagos. Go meet your brother in Lagos. Jekuru Nwanegi na Lagos. Okay? That is the word, the sentence we are dealing with here. But I did not correct the words. The word is J-E, Chikeze got it, J-E-K-W-U-R-U, Jekuru. I now say Jekuru Nwanegi. Okay. Adedola said, I am in London. Very simple. If you are in London, you are going to buy with pound sterling. Someone in Portugal bought with pounds, and you are in London, so you have pounds is your currency. You only click on Naira sign on top. It will drop down the options for currency. You pick pound sterling and use it to pay. It's as simple as that. I'm talking to dollar for now. So you need it today after this live session. Don't forget to buy it today. Now, Chikezie says, Jekuru Nwanegi no na Lagos. Okay, that's great. I love Chikezie. You even spell Lagos in Igbo, not just Lagos. You spelled Lagos in Igbo language. Lagos. That is perfect. But you didn't get it very well. You are O for Lagos should be Lagos. So your O should have under it if you want to use E to spell Lagos. I'm talking to Chikezie now. Now, let me see Ihuoma, Jekuru Nwanegi in Lagos. My God. This Ihuoma is speaking Igbo. We call it Igbo, combination of English and Igbo. So she wrote Jekuru Nwanegi in Lagos. Not in Lagos. I say na Lagos. No na Lagos. That is in Lagos. No na Lagos. Not in Lagos. You are speaking English. I go to who else here now? Okay. Who else here? Sheriman Gushoibi Jekuru Nwanegi na Lagos. My God. You try, but not perfect. Is Jekuru? Oh, Lieba, you're just coming in now. Why are you coming in late? Barbara, you are coming in late. I don't know why. Very late indeed. When we are about running off. Why are you joining now? Maybe you don't know our time again. Please remember to join an hour earlier than the hour you are joining, because you are always joining when we are closing. I'm talking to Barbara Lieba. Please go back by 1 hour in your own time zone. Go back by 1 hour. Because I see you always join when we hit the 1 hour mark. That's when you always join. So please go back by 1 hour in your own time zone, okay? So that you can meet us when we are starting immediately. You are always joining after 1 hour. Please adjust your timing. You are coming late by 1 hour every day. That is not very good for us. Now let's look at what we have written. Jekuru Nwanegi na Lagos, okay? Jenem, Jekuru Nwanegi na Lagos, okay? Barbara, Lieba, Jekuru Nwanegi na Lagos, better, great. Chikezie, Jekuru Nwanegi na Lagos, very perfect now. Clement, Jekuru Nwanegi na Lagos, great. Okay? Kanayo, Jekuru Nwanegi na Lagos, okay, that's great. But Kanayo, you have to get the Igbo keyboard. You are so they can have your dot under I and dot under O. Please, you can do that by setting your keyboard of your phone. Go to keyboard setting, language, select Igbo Kwati keyboard, and then you install it also, and then your keyboard will toggle between English and Igbo. You press the alphabet down or the key down, it will give you other options of either with the one that has dot under and the one that doesn't have dot under. You can always do that. Okay. Barbara, the timing for our lesson now is no more 9. It is 8 by your own time and 2 p.m. by our own time here. So go back by 1 hour so that you join our class at the exact time, not 9. It is 8 by your time over there, 6 hours different, right? Please do that adjustment against next time. Okay? Jekuru one again Lagos in Homa, great one. Now those are the things we need to do today. Now we go to Jide. Just because of Barbara that just joined now, I'm going to extend this class by another 30 minutes, possibly, or 20 minutes, because of Barbara Leber that joined now. Otherwise, I'm closing this class now. We agreed for 1 hour today. And because of Barbara is a serious person who has been so supportive to this channel. And I need to give her that respect and that kind of recognition. Okay. So the next word, somebody has said the next word is Jide. Oh, that's great. It means you have gone through the book. These guys are smarter than me now. You are showing me you have gone through the books and the videos, so you know the next word. That's great. That shows you are learning fast. You know you are following through very well. Those people that are writing Jide and the Jide now, they are telling me that is the next word. It means they've either gone through the video or through the ebooks, so they already have idea of the next word. And I agree with them. The next word is Jide. Jide, which means hold. Hold. That means they are learning. Jide, hold. And the sentence is Jide ya kambia. Hold it till I come. Or let me take it this way. Jide ya rue mgbe m ga-abịa. This is too long. Jidere m ya. I think this is simpler. Jidere m ya. Hold it for me. Jidere m ya. Hold it for me. That's sentence. Hold it for me. Jidere m ya. Hold it for me. Jidere m ya. Yes, write the sentence now. Jidere m ya. Hold it for me. Jidere m ya. Okay, Chikeze has written. Jidere m ya. Okay, I'm waiting for others. Give me the word. Jidere m ya. Jidere m ya. Hold it for me. Jidere m ya. Okay, Jenem has written. Jidere m ya. Who else is dropping the sentence? Jidere m ya. Jidere m ya. Okay, Sherry Mango, Shoibi, you have written. Jidere m ya. Great. Clement Demehe, Jidere m ya. Great. These my students are learning very fast. Yeah. I love that. Jidere m ya. Ihoma, Jidere m ya. Okay, Lieba, Jidere m ya. Ihoma, your ya has to be separate. Hold it. Ya means it. It. You have to stand alone. I'm talking to Ihoma. Ihoma, your ya need to stand alone. It means it. It. You must stand alone. Okay? Talking to Ihoma now. Outside that, every other person is correct. Okay, Ihoma have done the correction. Fine. So now that you people know the word, what is the next word? Now you know the word. Give me the next word. It means you are already conversant with our video, conversant with our ebook. Let me have the next word. Yeah. Let me see if you remember also. What is the next word? After Jide, what is the next word? I'm waiting for you guys. Give me the next word. Because I think you are getting smarter than your teacher now. What is the next word? After Jide, what is the next word? Yeah, I'm waiting for you. These guys, you have gone through the video, you have gone through the ebook, you know it already. What is the next word after Jide? Yes. After Jide is Juo. Juo, ask. Juo, ask. Yes. Write it now. Juo, ask. Juo, ask. Juo, ask. Okay? Juo, ask. That's good. That's the word. Chikezie has gotten the word. Juo, ask. Who else is dropping the word? Juo. Chikezie, class captain, had dropped the word. Who else is dropping the word? Juo, ask. Juo, ask. Juo, ask. Juo, Sherimango, Shoibi, Juo, that's great. Barbara, Juo, great. Yeah, who else is dropping? Jen N, Juo, great. Who else is dropping the word? Ihoma, Juo, great. That's correct. All of you are on top. You are on fire. Now let's have the sentence. If you have not dropped the word, please drop your own. If it's still coming, it will drop. Just send it in. And let's go to the sentence. Juo, Juom aham Juom aham, ask me my name. Juom aham, ask me my name. Juom aham, ask me my name. Juom aham, drop the sentence now. Juom aham, class captain has dropped his own. What are other people waiting for? Clement has dropped his own. Juom aham, Ihoma has dropped her own. Juom aham. Okay. Ihoma, I want to believe you're a female, right? Okay, Jen M. Juom aham. Great. Okay. Who else has not dropped? All of you are doing very well. Juom aham. Barbara, where are you? Lieba. Juom aham. Barbara, this extension is for you. I want you to participate. Juom aham. Where is Barbara? Jen M. Juom aham. Okay, Barbara is here. Juom aham. That's great. All of you are correct. Let me say this. If you put M together with aha, as in possessive, aham, my name, is correct. If you separate it, it's correct. Both are acceptable. The only person that didn't get this right is Clement Emehe, who did not put Juom, he didn't put M in ask me. He said he wrote Juom. Okay, that is Clement and Ihoma. Both of them wrote Juom. Okay, Ihoma got it. Juom. She added a M, which is ask me. My name is Aham. Only Clement wrote Joaham, which means ask my name, not ask me my name. What I said is ask me, Joam Aham. So you need to add M to represent me. Right. The next word is Ju. Ju, not to Ju. Ju. Ju, fill. Fill up. Ju. Fill up. Ju. Yes. What is the word? Ju. Fill up. Ju. Drop the word now for me. Ju. Fill. Ju. Clement Emehe, you have done your correction. That's fine. Ju. Fill. Ju. Fill. Okay. Okay. I'm seeing the word being dropped. Ihoma is on fire. Ihoma want to overtake somebody today. Ihoma is not giving any space. Okay, I believe Ihoma is a female. I'm right. Ihoma, did I know which part of the world you are joining from? Can you help me remind me where you are joining us from, Ihoma? Is it the first day you are joining this live class, Ihoma? Let me know. And the part of the country, the world you are joining from. Which country are you? Okay, I'm waiting for your response, Ihoma. Ihoma, I'm waiting for your response. I also hope you are going to buy the book today after this live session. Okay, almost everybody has bought the book. Jenem has bought, Barbara has bought, and so many of them. So I need to know where Ihoma is joining us from, which part of the world you are. And I think you are a female. Where are you joining us from? Which country? Okay. Now we are while I wait for response from Ihoma. Okay, it's in Germany. Okay, it's in Germany. Okay, that's great. Are you, the next question you have not answered. I hope you are buying our books today after this live session. I hope you are buying books. Ihoma, reply to that one first while we take our sentence. Okay, while you are answering that my question. Ju, mmiri wee ju ite. Mmiri wee ju ite. The water, I'll buy the books for the family. Okay, I will buy the books for the family. That's great. That's what we want. Buy for everyone in the family. Share it. Send it as gift to anyone. It's sendable, it's downloadable. You can always use it, send it, give to other people as gifts. Okay, thank you. Miri we ju ite. Okay, and the water filled the pot. Miri we ju ite. And water filled the pot. Okay, miri. Ju miri we ju ite. No, I didn't say ju miri. I said miri we ju ite. Water filled the pot, and the water filled the pot. Miri we ju ite. Jen M, correct yourself now. Miri we ju ite. I didn't say ju miri we ju. Okay, miri we ju ite. You're almost right, except for what you put in front. Okay, well, where are the rest? Miri we ju ite. That's fine. I know you'll get it. Where are the rest? Miri we ju ite, and water filled the pot. Miri we ju ite. Ihoma, that's great. Okay, that's great. That's great. Where's Barbara? Miri we ju ite. Great, great. I love that. Emehe, miri we ju ite. Great. That's fine. Your answers are perfect. Others should drop their own while we move on, because I'm using this 20 minutes I granted Barbara. I want to see how I utilize it to give her and other people more. Now, there is another one. They have almost the same spelling, but different alphabet. The next one is Jo. This one, Ju. The next one is Jo. Let me know whether you know the difference. Ju, Jo, Ju, Jo, Ju, Jo. The other one is Jo, which is refuse. Okay? Refuse or reject. Jo. Give me the word. The first one is Ju, fail. The next one is Jo, refuse or reject. Okay, class captain had dropped his own. Let me see other people's own. Joe, refuse or reject. Okay, Joe, Clement Emehen, great. Yeah, where are the rest? Where are the rest? Drop your word. Joe, refuse or reject. Emehen and Chikezie have dropped. Where are the rest? Where are the rest? Joe, refuse or reject. Where are the rest? Where? Barbara, good. Barbara, you missed it. I say Joe. The first one we consider is Jew. This one is Joe. There's a difference between U and O. I remind you again. So make the correction now, Barbara. There's a difference between U and O. You should know by now. So make your correction now, Barbara. Make your correction now. Okay? Make your correction now. Barbara, you are going to Dubai. Are you joining us from Dubai? Or you have already come back from Dubai? Talking to Barbara now, Lieba. I need your response. Are you back from Dubai or you are still there? Are you joining us from Dubai? Or you are back to US? Talking to Barbara. Okay, I'm waiting for your response, Barbara. Are you back from Dubai or you are still there? Okay, while we move on. Barbara, you have not done a correction of that word. It's not U, it's O. As in the U must have dot under. That makes it O, not U. Gone. All right, that's fine. We're on it as we go next week. Right. Now the word is Jo, which is refuse or reject. So what Owe Jo isom, Owe Jo isom, and he refused to follow me. Owe Jo isom, and he refused to follow me. Owe Jo isom, and he or she refused to follow me. Okay, I'm not able to put dot under. Okay, how do you now have the dot under O in this your sentence you wrote now? How do you get your dot under O? I don't know how you got it, but I've been explaining how to get the Igbo keyboard in your phone, that you just need to do your keyboard and the language setting and keyboard and look for Kwati Igbo and select it, and it will be part of your keyboard. The keyboard will be toggled between English and Igbo. So when you are typing, you press the alphabet down, it will give you a dialog box for other options of keyboard, of alphabet, which you now select the one you want, the one that had dot under, or dot without dot under. They will give you the options there. Okay, that is what you need to do. Now we're talking about Owe Jung Isom. Great, Jen M. You are really making progress. I hope you don't want to overtake our class captain today. You are giving him a hot chase. Okay, Owe Juisom Chikezie. Somebody want to push you behind him. Owe Juisom. Okay, who else is dropping the answer? Owe Ju Isom, and he refused to follow me. Owe Ju Isom, and he refused to follow me. Owe Ju Isom, who else is dropping the answer now? Clement Emehe, Owe Ju Isom. Okay, that's great. Okay, Dolapo, Owe Ju Isom. Okay, good effort for a newcomer like you. You tried. Who else is dropping? Oweju Isom, and he refused to follow me. Now let's do the correction. JM got it. Chikezie got it. Clement Oweju Isom. Clement not perfect. Iso is one word together. So you don't put I separate from so. It's Iso. Okay? Dolapo. Oweju, not Owe Nju. You added N before Ju is not correct. It's Ju. only with dot under, no N in front. Iso, mu, good, but your mu need to be separate because that is me, mu, or you, even if you don't put you just put only M, it represents me, okay, in Igbo. Oweji som, so separate it properly. Clement, what does we mean? Oweju, what does we mean? Okay, Oweju, then or he then, we, ju, then he refused. He then refused. Okay? But you know, it's not all the word that will have a direct interpretation like that. Okay? So you need to just accept what is used the way it is and give it the most possible interpretation you can give to it. But you can't get word for word interpretation most times. But that is almost what it means. Okay? It may be perfect, it may not be perfect, but that is what it means. Okay? Now, the next word we're looking at is kabue. Kabue, Kabue, Kabue. Okay, Barbara, you are there. Owejisom, that's a good effort. Kabue, that is cancel or nullify. Cancel or nullify. That is Kabue, Kabue. What is the word? Write it. Okay, class captain had dropped it already. Chikezie, Kabue, which is cancel or nullify. Jenem, Kabue. Great. Okay. Okay, Otenaike Michael Adewale. Adewale, you are welcome today. I think this is the first time we are having you. Adewale, no. That's how we say welcome people in Igbo land. We say no. Ondewo, that is Adewale, no. Adewale, please confirm if this is the first time you are joining our live class. Confirm, just let us know. Adewale, if this is the first time you are joining our live class, and let's know which part of the world you are joining us from. Adewale, that is important to us. Where are you joining from? Which country are you, Adewale? And please, while you are dropping that, I'm talking to Adewale now. Please, if you are just beginning to learn Igbo language, it's important you take advantage of our fast track book that we have from London. Okay, Adewale is from London. That's great. We have materials that will help you learn faster, and we produce them in form of Igbo ebooks. Those ebooks have audio file embedded in it. So you have the book, you have the text, you have the audio with you. And when you buy the book, which comes with the audio, you download the audio into your phone or computer for permanent lifetime access. Through that, you can always go through the audio and the book to learn even without coming online or without having data on your phone or without loading data is offline. So you can play it as many times as you want and learn fast. So please, if you want those books, very simple. After this live session, this video of this live session will be uploaded to our channel immediately after this live session. Go to the description box, open it, you will see a link to the shop. Click on it, it will take you to our shop. You go there, look through the books there, buy as many as you want, and then you start learning immediately. That will help you so much to learn fast. This is very important. Those who have bought the book are testifying of how much the book has helped them. So Adewale, do that after this live session. I hope you will do that. And if you do, you'll be glad you did. Next session, you'll give testimony. I can assure you of that. So do that today. I'm talking to Adewale Michael. Thank you for coming on board. Now, we're talking about Oweju Isom, and he refused to follow me. We have finished doing that. We are doing Kabue as in cancel or delete or nullify. That is Kabue in Igbo. And people have dropped the word. Let's see what they have dropped as Kabue. Clement, Kabue, that's correct. Jenem, correct. Chikezie, correct. Barbara, correct. Ihoma is not correct. We in Igbo is GB, is we GB, bu, GB. So it's not Kabue, it's Kabue GB. Okay, so that's the word. Now, Adewale say, I will. Thank you, Adewale. Do that, and some people that bought it before last week are already giving testimony here. They've testified of how much the book has helped them to learn fast. So that is our fast track. Go get it after this class, and you will testify. Now, Kabwe, Adewale, you are right. It seems this Adewale will learn very fast. You are joining now and you are already getting the pronunciation and the spelling, Kabwe. Now, let's make the sentence now with Kabwe. The sentence is, Kabwe ihe idere. Cancel what you have written. Kabwe ihe idere. Cancel what you have written. Kabwe ihe idere. Cancel what you have written. Can I have the sentence now? Kabue ihe idere. Clement has written that already. Chikezie has written that already. Where are the rest? Kabue ihe idere. Jenem has written that already. Kabue ihe idere. Some people, where are the rest? Write it, drop the sentence now. Kabue ihe idere. Kabue ihe idere. This live session is supposed to last for 1 hour, but because of some people that are so important to us that joined late, we extended it by about 20 to 30 minutes. And with that, they have given other people opportunity like Adewale to come in. That is good. We wanted to make it only 1 hour because today I'm not supposed to be online. But because this lesson has been scheduled for a week ago, I cannot just keep you people waiting and then not having the class. So I have to come online because I lost my mom yesterday to the cold hand of death. But my commitment to you guys will not allow me not to come online. I have to just do something to help as usual. So thank you for being with me. And then for those who have consoled me and comforted me, God will comfort you too in Jesus' name. For those who are joining us now, who have not dropped their comment, who have not given this video live session a thumbs up, please do that now. Give this live session a thumbs up. Hit the like button now. It's important to us. Hit the like button. It's important to us. Now, we have Dosumu Ekemode. Dosumu, you are welcome. I think Dosumu is also coming for the first time from Kabwe Ihidere. Is it? Okay, that is Dolakbo. Oh, it's not a new person. It's Dolakbo. I've already welcomed her. But that is the last name. Kabwe Ihe Idere. Okay, Kabwe Ihe Idere. Okay, I don't know what happened to Dolakbo's write-up. The UE came in capital letter and so big and is not joining the other ones. I hope that should be corrected. But let me go through what everybody wrote. Clement Kabwe Ihidere, that's correct. But Chikezie Kabwe Ihe Idere, okay, that's okay. Jenem Kabwe Ihidere, correct. Kenneth Kanayo Kabwe Ihe Idere, correct. Barbara Kabwe Ihe Idere, correct. Dolakbo Kabwe, your Kabwe is not okay. You have to correct it. It's not okay. And the Ihe Idere, I have to stand alone, as in you. That is I there. Ihoma Kabwe Ihe Idere. Like I said, I have to stand alone. If you have not given this video, this live session a thumbs up, you are not doing well for us. Give it a thumbs up now. Very important to us. Now, the next word is Kabwe. Kabwe. Those who are joining us now, give us a thumbs up. Okay? Adewale, Kabwe Ihe Idere. You missed out something there. Kabwe is one word. You have to join it together. Then you are missing Ihe entirely. Ihe, the thing. That is Ihe, the thing. Or what you have written, that thing you have written, Ihe, that is thing, the thing. So you missed out that entirely. Now the next word we're looking at, I just have how many minutes left? Oh, barely 1 minute left. I said, okay, I'm going to extend. I said 30 minutes. Let me extend it to 30 minutes. So 10 minutes left. So the next word is, okay, that's corrected version. That's fine. The next word is kele. Write it for me. That is greet. Kele, greet. Kele, greet. Can you write that? Greet. Kele, greet. Okay, Clement has written that. Clement, you are coming up so seriously. Okay, everybody is rushing it now. Kele, okay. Adewale Kele, okay. Chikezie Kele, Jenem Kele, Ihoma Kele. All of you tried, but it had to be double E in front of L, not one E. Talking to Dolakbo now, and Adewale is double E. Okay? Okay, it's double E. Jenem, remember double E at the back of L. Ihoma is correct. Then, okay, Adewale has corrected that. Barbara, that's correct. Kele, no, Barbara is not correct. It's not Kale. Barbara used K-A, not K-E. It's K-E, not K-A, please. Barbara is Kele. No, Mr. Dolakbo, the double E is not in front of L, it's at the back of L. You draw it Kele, Kele. So the double E is at the back of, after L. You have that double E drawn long, Kele, not Kele. What Dolakbo wrote is Kele. No, it's Kele. So the double E is after the L. I believe that makes sense. Where and then Adewale, please, it's not Kale, it's not K-A, it's K-E. Okay? Adewale, K-E-L, double E, Kele. Now let's take the sentence. Kele munyem, Kele munyem, greet my wife. Kele munyem, greet my wife. Kele munyem is one word. Munye is one word, that's wife. Munye. Then munyem, my wife. Kele munyem, greet my wife. Let me have the sentence now. Kele munyem. Okay, it's dropping. Okay, it's dropping. Adewale, kele munyem. That's a good effort for a newcomer. Adewale. Chikezie, kele munyem. Clement, kele munyem. Adewale, I think you're making correction now. So, okay, Dolakbo, kele munyem. Okay, Ihoma kele munyem. All of you tried. Let's do the correction now. Adewale, what did you write? Kele, okay, Chikezie, who wrote first? Is Adewale that wrote first? Kele munyem, no. Kele mu, N-W-U-N-Y-E. That is munye, wife. Okay? So munye, then you add M at the back to make it possessive, my wife. Munyem. Okay? So you look at what Chikezie wrote, you'll see the correction. Jen M also got it, Kele munyem. Clement Emehe, Kele munyem. That's correct. All right, I was locked up and returned back by network. I hope we're going to round up very soon. Okay, 7 minutes left. Okay, Kele Munyem. Ihoma is not Munyem, it's Munyem, Nwunyem. Okay, Barbara Kele Munyem, better. Kanayo Kenneth Kele Munyem, corrected, better, good. Ihoma Kele Munyem, that is the corrected version. And finally, we're going to have Kulite, that's the last word for today. Kulite, carry up. Kulite, carry up. Kulite, carry up. As you carry up a baby. Kulite, kulite, that is the word. One word, don't separate it. Kulite. Okay, let's have the word. That's the last we're doing for today. Let's have the word. Let's have the word. Kulite. What is the word? Waiting for you. Drop it now. Who is dropping first? Kulite. Carry up. Okay. Donald. Okay. Dewale is really serious. Dolakbo rather. Dolakbo. Try to write first. Okay. Chikezie followed. Dewale wrote Oride. No, it's not Oride. It's Kulite. K. Starting with K. Clement Emehe, correct. Jenem, correct. Dewale, Olide, no, it's not Olide, it's Kulite, 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 that's it. Carry up. I'm talking to Adewale Michael, Kulite. Okay, that's Michael. Please do the correction before we take the sentence now. Now the sentence. The sentence is Kulite nwatakịrị ahụ. Kulite nwatakịrị ahụ. Okay, Barbara, you're correct. Kulite. Kulite nwatakịrị ahụ. Carry that child up. Carry that child up. Kulite nwatakịrị ahụ. Carry that child up. Kulite nwatakịrị ahụ. Okay, Adewale, you have made a correction. That's dollar or rather. That's fine. Now we are taking this, we are giving the sentence. So shoot it now. Shoot the sentence into the chat session now. It's dropping. Chikezie is here. Clement is here. Jenem is here. Ihoma is here. That's the last for today. So everybody must drop their sentence before I make the correction. Where is Adewale? Where is Dolapo? Drop your sentence now before I make the final correction. Drop your sentence. Adewale, I'm waiting for you. Dolapo, I'm waiting for you. Who else? It's like so EB has left this class. I'm not seeing anything from her again. Barbara, you are here. Okay. Where is okay? Okay. I think okay. Let's have the correction. Let's do the corrections now. Kulite Nwatakịrị ahụ. Donald is the first. Mark Donald Chikezie, class captain today. Nwatakịrị ahụ, correct. Clement Kulite Nwatakịrị ahụ. No, you are Kiri. The I must have dot under. I'm talking to Clement. Ihoma Kulite Nwatakịrị ahụ. Correct, perfect. Barbara Kulite Nwatakịrị ahụ. Perfect. Adewale Dola Borada Kulite Nwata ahụ. Okay, Wata ahụ. No, it's Nwantakiri. The I will have dot under two of them. Nwatakịrị. Okay, but you can also say Kulite Nwata ahụ. If you want to use that, it has to be Nwanta. Okay, Nwanta ahụ. Talking to Dolapo if you want to use that. Jenem Kulite Nwatakịrị ahụ. That's all we can take today. That is all that time can permit us to take today. Of course, we wanted to end in 1 hour, but because of those who joined later, we have to extend it by 30 minutes, courtesy of Barbara Lieba. So, and other people came in to enjoy the extra 30 minutes. Thank you for coming on board today. If you have not bought our books, please do that today. Immediately this live session ends, this video will be uploaded. Click this, check this video, and go to the description box of this video. You will see a link to our store. Click the link. You go to our store directly and choose the books you want for today. Buy. Go through those books, read them before next Saturday. That will put you miles ahead because the ebooks has both text and audio. The audios, you download them to have permanent access to them in your phone or computer. You don't need to buy them again. It's lifetime access. And then you can go through the book while listening to the audio. That will give you a leverage, a mileage in your Igbo language learning. So buy these books today. I can guarantee you if you do, by next Saturday, you will be ahead. And for all of you who have joined us, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, do that now and hit the notification bell so that anytime we upload new videos, you'll be first to get notified. Thank you for coming on board. Thank you for believing in us. Thank you for learning Igbo language. Thank you for loving Igbo people. Thank you for being our wife, our children, our friends, our business partners. Chineke gozie gị. Ka emesịa, daalụ. Okay.